guys, today I am filming my TJ Maxx finds for you guys with makeup and skincare stuff that I found this week. I didn't really film an intro because I wasn't expecting to find anything or film. We just kind of like popped in and there was like a ton of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this TJ Maxx finds. Sorry if the volume sucks, but it's kind of hard to film when there's people around, so I tried my best. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so we are at TJ Maxx and we have found some good stuff here. So, first of all, they have the Too Faced Rainbow Strobe Highlighter. This one is $12.99. This is an awesome find. I actually have never tried this. They also have the Mystical Bronzer from them. This one is $12.99 as well. And it looks like a brand new Unicorn Tears highlighting stick. This is the Unicorn Tears color, and this is $9.99 for that. Over there, some more Anastasia blushes, which we've seen before. I also see some fun little custom cover drops. There's 3 shades there. These are $6.99. That's an awesome deal. I wish they had my shade. I would totally pick that up. There's something over here from Kevin Kwan. This looks like their bronzing veil. I cannot find the price on that one, unfortunately. So down here on the bottom shelf, I haven't seen this before. I've seen some Bare Minerals stuff lately. This is their Deluxe Original Foundation. So this is a huge size, and this one is $12.99. That's an awesome deal. Some Anastasia stuff. Down here, there's the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons. They have a bunch of these, and these are, I think, $29.99. So they have a ton of those. Okay, switching over to voiceover real quick since there were some people by me, but I found the Too Faced Mermaid Tears lip gloss for $6.99. They had a bunch of this collection since I believe it's being discontinued. Also the Fairy Tears gloss as well for $6.99. Such a good deal for those Too Faced lip products. Also the Bare Minerals Original Foundation for $6.99. They had a few different shades of those, and an amazing find. I was excited about this, the Kat Von D Shade and Light Glimmer palette. I did not buy this one because it's kind of expensive still for $27.99. I think it's cheaper at Sephora in their clearance. And then they also had the original Shade and Light Eye palette for the same price, $27.99. And then to end with the lipsticks, you guys probably saw these in my last video, but they have the Melted Latex for $5.99 from Too Faced, a bunch of those, and lots of Anastasia as usual, liquid lipsticks and their matte lipsticks. And like I showed you down here, there's some more Too Faced and a bunch of the Anastasia colors. And they had a ton of the Bare Minerals stuff. So they have the Blemish Ready Foundation for $6.99 and their Bare Pro Foundation too. This one is, that one was $9.99. They have a bunch of these Kevin Kwan Sensual Skin Powder Foundations. These are $14.99. I have not tried those. Looks like there is a Smashbox Primer. This one is $19.99. They have a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Belle de Jour. I've never seen this before. This is $9.99. There's a MAC lip gloss. This MAC lip gloss is $9.99. The shade is Lychee Luxe. There's a bunch of these Kevin Kwan matte lip colors, which is interesting. They have a ton of their products today. This one is $7.99. Behind it, there's another lip color in the shade Leah, I think. These are $7.99 as well. So there's actually a bunch of those lipsticks. And a bunch of Stila liquid lipsticks as well in the shade Naughty, maybe? I don't know. This one is $5.99, which is awesome. I did want to show you guys a couple of skincare items too. They have a bunch of Origin stuff, which is cool. So they have the Ginseng Peel Off Mask for $15.99. They have a few of those. A Youth Renewing Power Night Cream. This is $29.99. And then there's an Out of Trouble 10-minute mask to rescue problem skin. That sounds awesome. That's $14.99. And then this Clear Improvement Detoxing Charcoal Body Scrub, which is $15.99. So lots of Origins products are coming in. As always, I always see Shiseido stuff too. There's some Dr. Brandt Glow Ruby Crystal Retinol Hydra Cream. This one's $19.99. There's actually quite a bit of Dr. Brandt. So there's Light Years Away, Extend Your Youth, and there's the Pore Dermabrasion. I feel like this is popular. This one is $17.99. And there's some Alginist. They always have good prices on that because this stuff's expensive. And this is $14.99 for their Recharging Night Press Serum. Lastly, I did find a few of their Life's a Festival actual palettes, and these are $24.99. I absolutely love mine, so I definitely recommend picking it up if you can find it, because this is a good palette. I absolutely am obsessed. Alright, so I'm at a different location, and they have this Buxom lip polish in the shade Alyssa, only $3.99. That is a steal. So this is like a light sparkly pink, and I've just seen 2 of those there. I also found a Gen Nude Radiant lipstick from Bare Minerals in the shade Tutu. This is actually a really nice nude, $4.99. I might pick this up just because this is a really nice color. I normally would pick this gloss up, but I can never tell if they're used, so I don't trust it. I see a Gen Nude Matte for $4.99. This one is Kissy Face. I think I've seen that one before. And there's a couple more back there. There's Cookie and a Patent Lip Lacquer in Bay. Interesting, from Bare Minerals. So here's something new I didn't see at the last store. The Kat Von D Glimmer Veil Liquid Lipstick. These are like the metallic ones, I believe. These are $7.99. This shade is Dazzle. There is all the shades. There's almost like every shade here. So we also have a few other colors of the Cover FX stuff, like last time, the custom cover drops. These are new that I haven't seen. The Bare Minerals Full Coverage Concealer. I have not tried this. Let me know what you guys think about it. This is $5.99 for that. And there's a few different shades. I see my shade back there. Well, maybe medium neutral, I don't know. We have more Too Faced stuff here. Sorry my hands are full, but I found a few Bare Minerals blushes. I've been wanting to find more of these. There's Let's Go Nude and that Peach Though. These are $7.99. I might get both of them because I really like these. And then in the skincare section, there's a Clinique Eye Makeup Remover. This one is $14.99. There's a little travel size Peter Thomas Roth set for acne. And this is $9.99. And we have some fun Dr. Brandt products, some eye cream. It says Extend Your Youth for $17.99. More Peter Thomas Roth. This is Laser Free Regenerator. And this one is $34.99. Just lots of goodies over here. There's an Invigorating Retinol Eye Cream from Dr. Brandt for $16.99. Just lots of fun stuff. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these, if you guys recommend them. And there's some Bare Minerals skincare. This Mix Exfoliate Smooth. This one is $7.99. That's a good deal. In their eye cream, this one's really good. I've tried this myself, and that's $9.99. So just lots of goodies in the skincare aisle, like Perricone, Boscia, Shiseido. Lots of really high-end brands, and then like Skin Fix, they're an awesome brand as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys, if you've picked up any skincare, what you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more. I might do them like once a month because that's usually about how much stuff they get in, like new stuff every month or so, and there's lots of goodies this time. Let me know if you guys have found anything really awesome. I would love to know. I will link some other channels down below that also do these videos if you guys are curious, since this video has been pretty popular to do on YouTube, and they just have so many good makeup finds, so everyone's been doing these videos. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.